Well, folks, good morning. As you can see, today is the 15th of June. It's around 3 a.m. as I do this analysis. The Dow, as we can see, is a free fall. It lost almost 3.5% at the time of making this video. Well, we are not surprised because of the nervousness in the world economies. So, what do we look for during this week? If you look at the weekly chart, you can see that the Dow is falling. And I'm expecting this to fall to test this level right here. And if this doesn't hold, then the next level is this side of town. If you look at the monthly, it depicts the same picture. Demand is also in free fall. So we're expecting to come and test this level again. And then if this can hold, then we expect to go upstairs. So it all depends on positive economic news and how the new resurgence of the virus does not affect the economic confidence of investors. If it does affect the economic confidence of investors, then we're going to see the Dow fall. Because of the high volatility of the indices, please trade with caution and make sure you protect yourself at all times. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.